Well, this is a mini split number 2. First one was in the living room. I think, honey, you just went to that one. This is Mr. Cool DIY. I think it means donut head idiot if you do it yourself. That's what I think that means. Because I don't know, it wasn't so easy, but we tried to use the template yesterday. It was kind of a disaster. And things just didn't line up. I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know if the template was off. Probably me somehow. So we're not too terrible. I think I'm just going to do the measurements this time. There's going to be a big old 3-inch hole that goes right here. And we got to feed all the pipes and cable down that side. We're going to go to the outside of the building. We got that channel. And I know it's going to, we measured, it should hit out there pretty good in between the ribs on the metal. So we're about 7 inches down from the top. I think 6 inches is minimum. And this is what do you call this? This is like the hanging plate, I guess.
Yeah, the plate.
The system's down there, and then
and it clips onto that.
Yeah, it clips onto this, and it looks dead level. I hit a stud. I didn't think I was gonna hit one here. I did, so that's good. So that's where we are, and I'm the donut head, and this is the idiot for trying to do it himself. Anyway, we're trying. My good friend Paul is in another room. He's putting outlets in, and it's hotter than blazes right now. I don't know if it shows, but I'm sweating like crazy. Northern Arkansas is pretty hot right now. Of course, at night I'm up here, so that doesn't help. So this is the 9K, 9,000. This is going to be in one of the bedrooms. There's going to be another 9K in our bedroom, the fun room. 12K in the living room there. That one's hooked up. We got the condenser outside ready to go. We just got to give it power, but everything's got to be plugged in before you turn it on and release the freon. So this is number 2. Love you, honey.
Love you, honey.